My name's Lucas Walshire. I'm a research civil engineer. Out here today we're doing a full-scale experiment on the site that we established vegetation using biopolymer and then also a control. So we're overtopping it and seeing just a one-to-one comparison of how the performance benefits of applying biopolymer to an embankment. Biopolymer is produced by microorganisms. It happens naturally in the soil and has a symbiotic relationship with plants' roots. It also interacts with the soil and bonds to the soil particles, so you get a soil behavior improvement. But essentially it is food for microorganisms as well, so the longer term benefits we look for is there's an interaction between the biopolymer and the plant roots themselves that increases the lateral root density and therefore increasing the erosion resistance of the embankment soils themselves.
We have one plot that's biopolymer-treated and one that is untreated. The untreated is the one on the right, the treated is the one on the left, and the biopolymer is a naturally occurring hydrogel known as an exopolysaccharide. We employed the biopolymer through like a hydroseed method after it was constructed, and then root worked it back into the soil. And one thing that we're working on is trying to be able to demonstrate the scalability of being able to treat sections of an actual levee to be able to provide districts and divisions guidance and information of how best to incorporate this into the soil.
We got great results from this experiment. I think we'll be able to define and quantify the erosion resistance improvements that you might expect using biopolymers on embankment soils. The intrinsic value would just be, it's a naturally occurring substance. It's not going to be in the soil forever, but it does influence the natural vegetation that we've established on the levees. So I think that's a benefit to society and the Corps engineers in general. If we can maintain our structures in an environmentally friendly manner, then we're doing the society a benefit there. I think this has been an interesting project, and there's great potential for biopolymers to be used in certain instances to reinforce our levees and dams.